Hi guys, Miss Spears here, back with another weekly overview video. And make sure to pay special close attention to this one as there are quite a few things, little like moving parts going on this next week for week 4 of distance learning. So starting off here on the English weekly daily agenda slides, over here you get the glance at like the whole week view, right? Monday is a holiday. Awesome, right? So you guys get to relax that day. If you do decide to do some work, that's completely your choice. However, most of the work that's planned for this week should be totally fine if you want to take that day to relax and recharge. And you're probably definitely going to want to relax and recharge, as like I said, there's definitely some major things coming up later. So you can take a look here that in class we're going to be doing a couple of things related to Flipgrid, Checkpoint 4. I'm also going to review like exactly how I grade in Summit because I've been getting a couple questions about that. So that'll be in class. Then, as you're working from home on Tuesday, I just would like for you to watch this video, of course, but then also take the Monday check-in survey still. Obviously, not on Monday though, because it's a holiday. So you'll be doing that on Tuesday. But then also I did warn you that last week we have checkpoint 4, the paragraph outline draft, or for my honor students, it's called the mini essay outline draft. That is due Tuesday. Reason why it's due Tuesday and why I definitely need it turned in at that time is because I need to take pretty much all day Wednesday to try and give feedback as fast as possible. Normally I like to give myself a couple more days, but that's what I'll be doing for the bulk of Wednesday, is giving feedback all day long. And then that way, so Wednesday, as you guys are working from home for your independent day on Wednesday, you'll be working on these 2 final products that are due on Friday. So again, start that work early. Don't wait until the deadline, please. And that's what you should be working on Wednesday and Thursday from home. You're making up any late work that you might have fallen behind on. You're working towards the final novel elevator pitch, and you're also working towards the final paragraph outline or mini essay outline if you're an honor student. For my workshop times this week, for Wednesday and for Friday, I'm doing open invitation to all, and they're only 45 minutes, but we can definitely use that full 45 minutes, and I'll be happy to help you with whatever you need help with, whether it's current work or late work. And so it's an open invitation because, again, we have no open office hours on Monday, but Wednesday and Friday would be a very good time for you to come and visit me. Just click on my Zoom link like you would for class, and I'll be there, okay? Thursday in class, we are going to be working on these 3 different things that you have to keep in mind of. So we're going to be working on the paragraph in class, or you're going to be working on the elevator pitch in class. And you guys will get a choice to decide what you need to spend more time on, or if you are still a little bit behind and need some more extra help, then I'll be helping you in that late work breakout room. So again, make sure that you are looking at this weekly calendar over here in Schoology. You will see this weekly calendar up here at the top, or you will sometimes see like things that are upcoming. And while this is great to see, different things that are upcoming, it can get a little bit cluttered. So like it looks like here, like Wednesday, that there's nothing here, but there is something. There's definitely something there that you need to be in the English and weekly and daily agenda slides, okay? So same here, although for Wednesday next week and Thursday next week, it looks like there's nothing, there totally is something. So make sure that you are paying attention to these slides, okay? Let's just go through the daily slides a little bit. So again, Monday is a holiday. Then we have Tuesday, we're going to the distance learning week number 4 Schoology folder, watching this welcome video, and you're coming to class. Then we have the Monday check-in survey, which should take all of like maybe 5 seconds to do. It's easy points, guys, so if you're not doing that yet, please make sure that you're doing that because you are missing out on some really super easy points. Then checkpoint for the outline draft is due in Summit that evening, okay? Wednesday, like I said on the calendar in Schoology, it looks like maybe there's nothing, but there is. You're working independently at home on current assignments, and these are the assignments to work on. So any late work, the final novel elevator pitch, and the final paragraph outline. And same thing for Thursday, you're attending a live class on time, but these are the assignments to work on after class, or also it's going to be during class that day. And then Friday, same thing, working from home independently on the current assignments. I do have my workshop at 9, and then we've got the assignments that are due. So that is the final paragraph outline and the final novel elevator pitch. The final novel elevator pitch is going to be due through Flipgrid, which you're going to find more about on how to use Flipgrid, how to turn in through Flipgrid, and all of that stuff. You'll find more about that later in on Tuesday's live class. Okay, so when you come to class on Tuesday, I will go over that all. Okay, so back to over here in Schoology, a couple things to point out for you. This is your distance learning week number 4 folder. And like I said, this is where you're going to want to start, is this weekly and daily calendar, daily agenda. Then you've got your check-in due Tuesday. I'm putting the due dates at the end now so that I can see it a little bit better when I go to my gradebook. And checkpoint 4 outline draft is due Tuesday. Then I've also preloaded the live class slides just so that you can preview those early. Maybe it's helpful, maybe it's not. I just so happened to get those done early, so I put them in. Most of the time I do it like right before. Then yeah, final product and final product is due. So that is the main thing. Also wanted to tell you about, we are going to do this big deadline assignment number 1. We're going to do that in class on Tuesday, so please don't worry about adding that in like other things to work at home from on. We're going to do that in class on Tuesday, so don't worry about that there. Then the other thing that I wanted to let you know about is that I am putting all of the past week's folders over here in the absent, the yellow folder in absent. So this is week number 1, week number 2, week number 3. So if you were ever wondering where all of the past folders are going, that's where they're going. And then also here's the Coastal Book Nook folder. And this is definitely something more for when we get back into school. But you can also see my book chat video that I shared with you guys last Monday. This one is for The Giver, and I'm going to be sharing a new one coming up soon, and so I hope that you look forward to that and learning more about the Coastal Book Nook as we continue with that. Okay, so that just about covers it. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Otherwise, have a wonderful weekend, or hope you did have a wonderful weekend. I don't know, past tense or present tense or future tense, which way to put that. Yeah, and I'll see you guys in class. And don't stress too much, because again, all of the work that we have to do, I'm pacing it out and making sure that you guys do have enough time. If you do ever feel overwhelmed with anything, please make sure to let me know. I am more than happy to help you and yeah, help you get through that, okay? All right, I'll see you guys later. Bye.